morning, y'all. If you are returning, as always, welcome back. Excuse my voice, it's like 8 something in the morning. Obviously I look a mess, but y'all read the title. Oh, let me backtrack, sorry. If you're new here, I'm Shante Ree, and I do a variety of videos in between lifestyle. I'm getting into the vlogs and a lot of fashion content. So if any of that interests you, oh, and can't forget hair. I mean, this is a hair video, but I do videos about my locks. So if any of that interests you, make sure to stay tuned. Also subscribe so you don't miss any of my uploads. So yeah, I'm looking real crusty. It's early in the morning. It's actually Memorial Day. So yeah, I might go get my eyebrows done today. But either way, of course, I'm bringing y'all along with me on this journey to get this head together. I cannot believe it has been 9 years. It's been a very good 9 years. If you haven't seen my first and my second anniversary video, oh my God, they are so cringe to me now. Like, I hate those videos now. Even the one I did last year, hate it. But still up, y'all can go back and watch it. You know, it's a humbling experience to go back to your old videos and see your growth. I'm excited to get my hair done. I'm gonna be trying a style I haven't tried before, kinda, sorta. And yeah, y'all gonna be coming with me. So like I said, if you enjoy this content, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Ooh, y'all, it's hot, I'm rushing, but this is the before. Very dirty, needs to be washed, a lot of dandruff. I did throw some lashes on, so I'm already feeling like a little island ting or whatever, but I'll be back.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, that going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Lawyer being charged, he'll do it like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his Bizu. President's a 10 slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a squeak, man, I'm come from the pavement. A million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on the baby, brand new whip.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, that going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even Pikachu. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2,500 for a new a pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Lawyer being charged, he'll do it like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in his visa. President's attention, slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a street, man, I'm come from the pavement. $1 million, hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on the baby. Brand new whip.
Dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tootsies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please.
Much better. Hair done, eyebrows done, lashes done. I'm back, y'all. It's been some days later, but I've also added some tooth gems. Thanks to REJ for her little hack, because I definitely did not get these done professionally. So I have slept on my hair for a few nights with a scarf, and my little baby hairs that always come out and do their own little thing have popped out. So I did kind of slick them. And I did my little sideburns. I did some content earlier. I'm feeling cute. I just need to do my nails. But yeah, if you're here because of my hair or whatever, you know, thank you for supporting. I'm glad that a lot of people really take a liking to my hair. Alright, y'all, so in conclusion, I'm gonna go ahead and stop this hair vlog right here. I am loving this style. I think I might make this my vacation style. But anyways, turn the air down. Yeah, it's a wifey Yana and it's a mommy Yana, so I be having to do a lot of Yana. Like, I thought that by the time I got back on here, I was gonna have my outfit together. I wanted to do a whole like behind the scenes of like an at-home photo shoot, but it didn't work out. So I'm still looking for what I want to wear, because I guess I might as well let the cat out of the bag. Your girl is like this close to being monetized, thanks to y'all and just everybody who's watched, shared, liked, supported. You feel me? Thank y'all. I appreciate it sincerely. My stomach is growling. It's going on 2 o'clock, and this is gonna be my first meal of the day. So yeah, basically I have been getting in a lot of content, I will say that, because my hair is done, period. And as y'all could probably see, I did my tooth gem. They still hanging on pretty good. I did do a little bit of makeup. Make sure you follow me on the gram, Shante.Ree. Also about that, so I thought that I was gonna just start a whole new page, but it's not happening. It is so much work just, you know, building a following online. I don't have time for that. So I'm back on my normal page that I've been on, and the other page that I created will just be a backup, and we're gonna call it a Zay. But yeah, I'm about to eat my salad and drink my water, because, you know, I'm trying to do better, eat better, so I can look better. But yes, thank y'all for watching. Also, if y'all have suggestions, I am going on vacation and I need some hairstyles, like something cute. It's looking very likely that I will do this hairstyle again. I'm feeling it. The inspo, I don't know if I already said this, but the inspo was the tribal braids, like how it start off small and then it go back or whatever. That was the inspo. Love it. Look like I should be on an island because I'm feeling like an island teen. But yeah, let me stop rambling. I'll see y'all in the next video. Leave any comments and suggestions down below. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, because what are you doing? I'll see y'all in the next video.